Healthier Choices Management Corp. HCMC stock news. HCMC stock technical analysis. HCMC closed the session of the 1st of April at 0.0011, down 8.33%. We have a position in HCMC. It has a market cap of 340 billion, 309.497 billion shares outstanding. The news out there you definitely must have heard that came out as of the 31st of March is that more and more shares have been issued to Holman, Elliot, Santi, Ollet, John, Panariello, Anthony, and yes, you can see them here. You can see the disclosures here. This is for the first one. I believe it's for Holman, Elliot. It says a number of derivative securities beneficially owned following reported transaction is 39 billion. And for the other person, it will be Christopher Santi. It is 17 billion. That is what it's owned after the issuances. This is probably 5 billion for John Ollet. And this for the next one, or the last one, Panariello Anthony, is 1 billion, I believe. So you will definitely see the link to all of these in the description box below. And you also must have also heard that it's relaunching its online store, and that's the news here. It says Healthier Choices Management Corp announces relaunching of its vitamins and supplements online store at the vitamin.com, vitamin at the vitaminstore.com. And it says this online store was originally purchased as part of the acquisition of the HCMC's 3 Paradise Health and Nutrition branded stores in Melbourne, Florida. HCMC will be offering select national brands and for the first time online Ada's high quality brand of vitamins and supplements, previously sold only in Ada's natural market, the company's organic grocery store located in Fort Myers, Florida. Management has recognized and it is grateful for both the national attention that HCMC has received over the past several months and for the vocal support of its shareholder base, which is now over 306,000 shareholders strong. This has provided the company with the perfect opportunity to relaunch for a relaunch of HCMC's vitamin.com store, as well as an opportunity to offer our Ada's brand of high quality vitamins and supplements to a national audience. So yes, that's what the news is. There might be other ones coming out because I believe this army of 306,000 shareholders, they are definitely on down there in Florida, getting the news out. So if you have any news we don't exactly know, put it in the comment box below and let everybody find out and digest. So you can see technically it is still retracing. Obviously closed down 8.33%. You can see everything is just bearish, even though over the last 14 sessions, we can see that the momentum is not even dying for some reason. So it says here that HCMC appears to be correcting within a longer term bullish trend, obviously, although its MACD is presently below the signal line. Shares remain 98.5% below and above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. It is lagging the S&P 500. So you can see it is gradually getting closer and closer to that 200-day trend line. Momentum is strongly bearish. Okay, the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20, the level which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower. Okay, yes, even though it looks like it's inching up, we also have to point out, yes, indeed, it is still below 20, still oversold. Today's the last trading volume was lighter. And the unbalanced volume indicator shows that longer term accumulation has given way to near term selling pressure. Yes, so the volatility measured using the width of the Bollinger Bands is low. Periods of low volatility tend to precede price breakouts, although they do not provide information as to which direction the breakout will take. Trend and momentum indicators can be helpful to measure future trends. So yes, we can see evidently MACD is below the signal line, confirming and validating the bearishness of the whole everything concerning HCMC on that right now. So, but fundamentally, I can't tell you. It's fundamentally the company is obviously doing business, going digital and all that stuff. But with this more and more RSAs being issued, I really don't know, to be honest. And what is most certainly certain or most concrete here is that it is still technically a buy, but I don't know if it's only trading at $0.0011. By all means, buy. What can I say? It's a buy, and it's doing business, even though the people in charge are continuing to take money off the table by all of these RSAs and dilutions and all that stuff. Probably some might construe it as taking advantage of this 306,000 strong army of investors, and most of them are very, very much recent investors. So they see HCMC as their best hope, amongst other things, because they actually see there is a business going on. There is HCMC is doing business, and they can also see it as by far very, very, very much affordable to buy these stocks. So yes, right now it's gloom and doom, more and more dilutions. Well, sadly, even though a lot of market participants don't want to hear this, it's, well, if it's negative, down, and not encouraging, maybe it is time to really, really, really buy, because that is contrary to the mood. Yes, and more losses may definitely occur if you invest, but that's how it is. You either win or lose. So I'm not really encouraging you to buy or anything, but all I'm saying is that if all of these signals are very much negative, if you really want to make money, also, unfortunately, that's just how it is. You make money when the opportunity is seen as not being there, when the risk is there. That is where the gain also lies. Where there's risk, there's also a crown. So I'm not promoting HCMC. Indeed, we have a position there, but this is what it is. Technically, it's trading at a discount to all of its shorts and intermediate trend lines. So yeah. What more can I say? So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for watching this video.